Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the AMT 1970 Chevelle SS John Wick. 1/25th scale. There's that side of it. Pad printed BF Goodrich's, which is nice. Nice decal sheet. There's the bottom. Let's have a look. Alright, here's our body. Pretty decent shape. Here's our headers. I assume the back of our seats. Here's our engine, radiator, oil pan, pulley, water pump, springs. Here's our wheel backs and our headers. Here's our dashboard and our back seat. Here's our firewall, our rear suspension, our steering wheel. Here's our front bucket seats with the console. Here's some more engine pieces. Looks like we could put a high rise on it if we wanted to. Don't know if I'll do that. Here's our chrome. So we got this set of wheels, which are kind of hideous looking. And then we have these. Chrome valve covers, our rear bumper, shifter. Then we got these real nice American racing wheels, which are what I'm going to use on mine. Here's our interior tub. Here's our chassis. Must have been, maybe the exhaust goes there. I just wonder if it was a screw bottom kit at one time. Here's our front bumper. Here's our reds and our glass. I'm not going to take them out because I don't want it to get marked up. Here's our pad printed BF Goodrich radio TAs. Those are really cool. Metal axle. Our instruction sheet. And our decals. I suppose I can open them so we can take a look at it. So we got all of our marker lights, we got some nice stripes, California license plates, got our SS badging, looks like we got the gauge cluster, decals and everything that go on there. That's cool. Yeah, so that's everything that comes in this kit that I'm going to start building. That out. Not a lot in it. I like that it comes with 3 sets of rims though. That's kind of cool. But hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.